Hey guys, this is Astha
This is Lakshit
and this is Rawcast.
by TEDx Whips.
So today we have a founder, Ryansh Janeja.
Yes, he's a guest. He is an 18-year-old who have pitched on Shark Tank as a founder of Memotag. And hi Ryansh, how are you?
Hello, I'm great. How are you? Thank you so much for
So
introducing me.
Ryansh, please tell us about yourself.
Sure. Well, number one, I am not 18 anymore. I'm 19 now.
Okay.
I am studying in Masters Union. It's a college in Gurgaon, and I am in the startup ecosystem for about 3 to 4 years now. Currently building my own startup called Memotag, which we already talked about. That's pretty much it.
So how is it all going? How is Memotag going? How is
your life going basically?
I mean, a lot of ups and downs, honestly. So अभी तो छुट्टियां चल रही हैं हमारी तो काफी enjoy कर रहे हैं.
So वो छुट्टियाँ स्टार्टअप की छुट्टियाँ भी है या सिर्फ कॉलेज की छुट्टियाँ है?
See, it's normally I wake up around 9 a.m. and then I have meetings lined up. I have to talk to a lot of people. So वो होता है कभी have to go outside and meet clients. So that's the thing. Then I usually go to the gym at 7 and then उसके बाद I'm like normally free after 9 p.m. I have a couple of meetings at like जो बाहर की international meetings होती है around 12 बजे फिर उसके बाद I'm free. That's how my day goes.
So you said you are a startup. You are not a startup. I mean, you are a founder.
Yeah.
So what is your foundings about? What is your company about? What products are you building?
Right. So before anything, I want to ask you a question. Do you guys know what dementia is?
I think we have an idea about it.
We would like to hear it about you because you can explain it in detail.
Perfect.
But what I feel is it is a disease, basically not a disease,
Yeah.
but it's usually an occurrence that people forget something about themselves.
Right. So dementia is an umbrella term of having cognitive impairments, which means dementia के अंदर बहुत सारी अलग-अलग diseases होती हैं. There's this thing called Alzheimer's. I'm pretty sure you're aware of that. And then we have vascular, frontotemporal, many more like that. So a lot of people think that bhulna is like a major thing, and it is. But it's not just that. It's not limited to that. People cannot walk properly. They cannot speak properly. They cannot do basic things like making chai, using a remote, and wearing clothes, in fact. So Memotag initially started as a wearable that would track their physical health and their cognitive health. We pitched that idea on Shark Tank India, and we realized that it was a medical tool which required a lot of regulatory hurdles and a lot of compliances. So हमने वो drop कर दिया. We then started from scratch in February 2025. We pivoted to an entirely software-first model. Over there, now we're building an AI voice agent that tracks the cognitive health of elderly using speech biomarkers.
Okay.
That's what we're building. Yeah.
So how is your college helping you in this?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I normally say this, that my college is like my biggest supporter. Okay. They have helped me tremendously from... So I'll tell you a quick story. My UG director, her name is Swati Ganeti.
Okay.
She, before I even got admitted to Masters Union, I spoke to her and I pitched Memotag to her. Told her that I would need some funds to actually continue with the prototype development. She promised that within the first month, I will get some amount of money, and then हुआ क्या कि मेरे को 2 लाख रुपए grant में मिले, no equity, no cost from Masters Union. And now I'm getting incubated there as well. So we got another 5 lakh grant from them. So that's just one part of it. I have been helped in getting connected to industry leaders, mentors, and during my Shark Tank pitch, they helped me throughout the journey. They got me like in 1 a.m. calls with a lot of investors कि ऐसे pitch करना है, ऐसे बोलना है. So they've been very helpful.
Yeah. How is your life at Masters Union? Like, is it just about practical knowledge? It includes theoretical knowledge too? Or?
So Masters Union ka ek year is divided into 2 parts.
Okay.
Number 1 is in class and number 2 is out class. Okay. In class mein it's going to be a 6-month course where you will be taught everything inside of class, normally hota hai. But again वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा practicality डालते हैं. हम accounts की class में लिखते नहीं है, फिर notes नहीं बनाते. We actually use Excel, and हमारे exams में Excel में होते हैं. हमारा marketing class में हमें marketing case studies मिलती है कि उसको assess करना है, and you have to actually pitch your marketing case study to the professor. And then after that we have out class. Out class में क्या होता है? The things that you learned in class, you have to apply it outside. For example, in our first year, we had the dropshipping out class event. उधर क्या हुआ था? We were divided into teams. I mean, we could obviously select our own teams, and then we had to build an entire startup from scratch. So me and my team, we were into car accessories. We scaled to about I think 12 lakhs and 20 lakhs in revenue. I'm not really sure, काफी time पहले हो गया वो. But इतना करा था हमने, and 3 महीने का था ये. It was a very good experience. We actually, went to Karol Bagh. वहाँ पे हमने सामान उठाया, ठीक है. We spoke to a lot of people, कैसे manage करना है, Shopify setup करा, marketing ads run करी. That actually, cleared a lot of things जो मेरे को बस पढ़ के समझ नहीं आती.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's like real life knowledge, so you basically get
Exactly.
hand-on experience.
Right. So Memotag, not Memotag, I'm sorry. Masters Union का line ही यही है. The tagline is learn by doing, which is experiential learning. That's the best form of learning you can do.
So when you moved out of school, were
Yeah.
you sure that you were gonna go to Masters Union, or you did some research and found it was the best college for you or something like that? Like how did you find Masters Union? उनकी marketing की वजह से या someone recommended to you? क्या?
Good question. So हुआ क्या था? I am a PCM student. Okay. And
You're a PCM student.
yeah.
Okay.
From which school?
From school. So
Which school?
Sanskriti School in Chanakyapuri.
Oh, okay.
Right. So I wanted to do typical IIT JEE. Okay. तो मैंने फिर जी में अपने आप को enroll करा. एंड वहाँ पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. 1 साल में मैंने गिव अप कर दिया कि मुझसे तो नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी सिमिलर स्टोरी टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल. आई वाज नेवर रियली गिफ्टेड एकेडमिकली. आई वाज नेवर समवन जो एकदम टेक्स्ट बुक से ग्लूड रहता है, ठीक है. And teachers did not like me at all. I mean, they actually did not. Okay, मैं नहीं पढ़ता था, मेरे को नहीं इंटरेस्ट था.
Because of your academics, आपके नेचर की वजह से नहीं, सिर्फ क्योंकि आप पढ़ते नहीं थे इसलिए.
पढ़ता नहीं था तो फिर वही नेचर बन जाता ना कि पढ़ता नहीं है तो नालायक है.
अच्छा,
ठीक है.
ठीक है, typical.
Essentially that. So I was into sports. I was into a lot of extracurriculars. वहाँ पे हमारा entrepreneurship and tech club था. I was the president there. I was an HOD there.
Okay.
So वो करा, बट उसका भी कोई मीनिंग नहीं बैठा था, पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो, ठीक है. सो IIT JEE was something that I was not interested into. I was slightly forced into it कि करना तो पड़ेगा, अच्छा है. Then I was like, I was watching YouTube one day and then I came across a video from Masters Union. I was like, ये क्या चीज़ है? I explored it. I went into the rabbit hole and then I was like, okay, this is interesting. I should definitely go here. See, MU is not a typical college, right?
Of course.
So parents को convince करना was another task.
And
So-
especially you were a PCM student.
Right, and then changing my stream to business entirely.
Completely opposite.
Yep.
How did you manage to convince?
I'll tell you a line, okay? I am half Baniya and half Punjabi. So I am a businessman by blood and drunk by nature. तो business मेरे को हमेशा से करना था, मेरे को interest था. Like I said, I was into business before I even joined Masters Union. So I was helping my mother grow her own home. She is building a hamper/luxury business. It's called Gifting Essence. So I'm trying to help her out. We transitioned from an offline state to an online state of At that point. तो मेरे को थोड़ा अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. मैंने अगर ये कर दिया, we reached like 6,000 MRR dollars में, like monthly recurring revenue में, तो we're doing good right now. Then उसके बाद I worked in a lot of internships, marketing, tech. I have been coding since 3rd grade, तो मेरे को आइडिया है. तो I just felt that it's not something for me. So I was like, I have to try something out and risk लिया. It was good and I'm very very happy with that.
Masters Union.
Masters in
admission.
yes.
And Masters Union admission was tough. Yeah, they take everyone.
So it's a 4-step admission process. Number 1 is that you fill up an application, which is very common. Then there's an aptitude test, 45 marks. If you get above 35, you will be eligible for a scholarship. Luckily, मैं था eligible, तो happily मुझे को मिल गई. फिर उसके बाद we have 2 rounds that happen parallelly. Number 1 is the GD, which is group discussion. You will be put in the room with a lot of people. Yeah. And the second round, the second part of the last round is the personal interview.
Okay.
So the head of admissions, she was taking my interview. मेरे को अच्छा क्या लगा कि मेरा सबसे लंबा इंटरव्यू गया था. तो मेरे को like ठीक है.
But don't you feel वो एक negative point भी होता है कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही बात कर रही है आपसे? So maybe they just keep on testing you and things like that.
I mean that's really valid. ठीक है, पहले मेरे को भी लगा था इतना लंबा क्यों खिंच रहा है. बट देन जब मैं बाहर आया तो पीपल टेलिंग कि तेरा इतना लंबा कैसे चला गया, हमारा 10 मिनट में खत्म हो गया था. तो लाइक ठीक है, मेरे से बात तो कर रही थी वो. तो आई वाज लाइक हैप्पी. या इट वाज अ सेमी डिसेंट, आई वुड से हार्ड level, on a scale of 1 to 10, it will be 7 on 10. कितना hard था अंदर आना. But I think अब इस scale पे मैं past दिन काफ़ी थोड़ा सा हो गया selective about कौन से लोगों को लेना कौन से को नहीं. So yeah.
You mentioned that you changed your stream from PCM to BBA in your college. Were your parents supportive about it? Like, aage hub baniya Punjabi.
Right.
But still, changing from PCM, koi dikkat nahi. They're still supportive.
My parents, I'm very, very glad to have parents like them. Like, honestly, they have been supportive of me entirely. Obviously, डांट भी खाई है बहुत ज़्यादा कि क्या कर रहा है लाइफ में. But they always have been there कि नहीं जो कर रहा है सही कर रहा है. They had the confidence in me. So, I mean, they are from day one, right? अगर वो support नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? तो they understood that and they're doing it very well right now as well. Yeah.
I feel the environment you are in, everyone has been really supportive of you from the start. That gives you an edge too. अंदर से confidence.
I would say a couple of people, honestly. Teachers weren't supportive. मेरे को physics की teacher याद है. I shouldn't be saying this, but उसने.
You don't have to take names.
Yeah. ठीक है. तो she on my face said कि तेरे life में कुछ नहीं होगा. Then I'm like, we'll see about that.
We always have that one teacher.
Yeah. है ना? होता है ना? तो just to prove her wrong.
Hater vibes.
Yeah,
pure. ठीक है. तो अब अच्छा आ रहा है. I would actually want if she sees this podcast.
Yeah. You can share it with her.
Absolutely.
If you want, we can tag her in the.
नहीं इतना नहीं करता.
Staying away from drama, please.
Okay, nice. So, how did you get the idea about solving the problem of dementia and not any other problem?
Right. So before solving for this problem statement, I was building another startup with my co-founder. His name is Sakshat.
Okay.
Again, he's a very, very close friend. उसमें क्या था ना कि we were building a very, I would say, a niche startup, but it was more, something that the market wasn't ready for. It was like too early for it.
At what time was this?
This was like 2023.
So you were in 12th.
I was in 12th only तब. ठीक है. 12th का एकदम starting से end तक मैंने करा था idea. The major problem with this idea, which is called Gigturn, was it had a huge supply-demand problem. That was one of the reasons why I shifted. That motivated me to shift to another idea. Second is that my grandfather had mild MCI stage of dementia, which is mild cognitive impairment. So I have first-hand experienced what a caregiver, goes through जब उनके parents को dementia होता है, when they start forgetting things. So I was like, I need to build on this जो मेरे घर पे है, instead of finding a problem statement out of my home. Right. Just give me a second. I'm recollecting my thoughts.
Okay.
Right. So फिर क्या हुआ? I went to a lot of elder care centers. I went to a lot of senior care living homes. I met with over 300 plus patients. I mean, I wouldn't obviously tag it as 300, but like अच्छे लोगों के साथ बात करी थी. I spoke to a lot of neuros, a lot of caregivers. I understood कैसे type की problem हो रही है. I wouldn't call it proper market research, but I would call it like something that got me into this field, got me very interested. Because one thing which is very important in healthcare when you're building an LD care and healthcare is empathy. So right now, our purpose is that we build empathy into AI, and that's a very, very big task. Because foundationally, AI is all about quantitative models and LLMs. जिधर qualitativeness add करना बहुत difficult हो जाता है.
Of course.
Yep.
One question I'd like to ask you is, why did you choose dementia as your topic to be of an entrepreneur? Because see, I have seen that founders now in our generation go after the hype.
Yeah.
Like a run club or something like that.
Run
Coffee
club.
raves, things like that. Why did you choose a topic that people usually whisper about? Like dementia is not a topic that's very out loud.
Right.
And
Absolutely. It has like very low awareness.
yeah.
Yeah.
So why did you choose
this has
dementia पे ही करते हैं कुछ?
Multiple answers. Number one is like what I just said.
Your grandfather.
Right. That was a very personal issue.
Right now?
He's doing pretty well right now. पहले तो था काफी better हो गया तो.
Is he using?
Good to that.
Is your product in use?
नहीं अरे it's like ठीक हो गया मतलब अब कोई ऐसा problematic नहीं है.
अच्छा, all right. He
ठीक है.
got better on his own.
Yeah. अरे we were there with him ना तो
Yeah,
हमें समझ आ गया था कैसे करना है tackle तभी तो बनाया. Another thing is that while people are focusing on creating clothing brands, coffee raves and bar clubs, that is very short-lived. Okay, it does not have a USP to it, does not have something that is actually interesting. Okay, it's boring, anyone can start that. And it's not something that will disrupt the market, right? While if I'm building an AI, if I'm taking like good 1 year, 6 months of my time to build and put my entire energy into it, that will actually give out and deliver some value to people. And that will be like a bigger impact. Okay? That will add to my lore. So, yeah.
Like
Yeah.
build something in your life.
Right. I have a question for you guys.
Yeah.
What's your purpose in life?
I
1 second. It cannot be money, it cannot be fame, it cannot be making your parents proud. Okay?
I have one answer to this.
Yeah.
I just have to earn respect.
Acha.
That's a one-word answer for that.
Own respect. Okay.
And that comes through doing something.
Yeah.
Like not just sitting idle at your home or doing nothing,
Yeah.
just watching reels. It doesn't come from that.
Right.
So even I had many ideas of startup. Even I initiated one of them, but could not actually execute it because of some other issues. But I also have that feeling that after college, even I'm going to start with something new. Of my
Good.
own.
Placements के लिए मत बैठियो.
बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं आज तक बात भी नहीं करी उस.
बढ़िया.
Not even
So-
see in the placement हमारे college.
I also come from a business family.
Right.
So it's like कि पहले खुद हाथ पैर मार लो जितने जितने हाथ पैर मार सकते हो. अगर नहीं हुआ तो बैकअप के लिए फैमिली है.
Family है. Family business है.
Family
ठीक है.
I
Interesting.
feel something same as for me as well. My dad also has a family business and I'm a single child.
Ah, same.
So, acha, we both have single child, so we get each other.
Yeah.
First way. So we know we have to handle our family business at a certain point because there's no one apart from us. But doing something of your own is something that you did for yourself also,
Correct.
apart from your family. And taking and maintaining something that has already been built is a different thing, but taking it on another level
Level.
is something different. You get that only from experience.
Absolutely.
So उसके लिए अपना अच्छे से करना पड़ेगी मैंने तो.
So you didn't tell me what's your purpose in life.
I have to actually think about it a lot.
So you're in the process of finding your purpose.
Yeah.
Acha. Interesting.
I don't know if it's really a cliche line or not, but whenever I look myself in the mirror, I don't want to be upset from myself.
So being content with yourself.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. I have 3 purposes in life. Okay.
You really thought about this.
I've wrote a LinkedIn post about this
Oh
as well.
my God.
Yeah, you should go check it out.
Okay.
Cool. Number 1, ठीक है? To leave a legacy. उसका मतलब क्या है कि after 1000 years, I want to stay relevant. I'll give an example. ठीक है? Being very honest, Ratan Tata, he has done a lot of philanthropy. He's a very, very great entrepreneur. But will he be remembered after 1000 years? I'm not sure. मेरे को नहीं लगता होगा ऐसा. But if you talk about someone who has discovered something, let's say Albert Einstein or someone जिसने कुछ करा है, उसने कुछ उखाड़ा है, ठीक है? He is in those books जो हम पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? So I want to be one of them, to leave a legacy, which means Memotag के through I low-key want to discover a cure to dementia, or if not discover a cure, see, dementia is a spectrum, okay? If not the entire spectrum, I want to decode at least just a part of it. So that कहीं ना कहीं लिखा है कि रेहान जुनेजा ने ये करा था. That I'm remembered after 1000 years. That's number 1. Secondly, philanthropy. ठीक है? That's again a very cliche thing, but philanthropy to students, because I am a student, I know बहुत कम opportunities है. ठीक है? Number 2, single parents. ठीक है? I have friends इनके mom dad expire हो जाते हैं, तो I have seen किस level के pain से वो जाते हैं. And number 3 is healthcare, because healthcare is again very, I don't want to say the word, but yeah, you get it. Number 3, which is my favorite, okay? Let's imagine, ठीक है, आप भी imagine करो that you're 90 years old, okay? अब तो life expectancy कब गिर गई है, but 90 ले लेते हैं. And you're on your deathbed, okay? And you look back and you realize that अगर मैंने ये कर लिया होता, तो I would have been happier today.
Exactly.
Which means to have no regrets. Yeah? So I want to personally experience everything. From heartbreaks to being the best version of myself, to a lot of different things. Okay? To traveling to Canada just to meet someone that I met like 2 days back. Why not?
Why
Okay?
not? You
Yeah.
got only one life.
Yeah, exactly. So, mistakes are okay, but you just have to go with it and सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना है.
That's one life, and even it's the same for me as well. I do not want to question myself कि you could.
Yeah.
I don't want that in my life.
So be spontaneous in life. That's all.
I did everything that I could, and then I can die peacefully.
Exactly.
So that's really nice.
Be spontaneous. Go on that road trip. Goa चले जाओ please.
Exactly.
The point you mentioned about legacy, we're trying to build this year.
Exactly.
So this year we are just trying to do something which will not be able to happen again in future.
Oh really?
Yeah, for this event and all.
ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो?
So
you will get
you'll
to
see.
If you want, we can share passes with you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh really? Passive है?
For the TEDx
Event.
अच्छा.
TED Talks के लिए we have a capping कि 100 audience ही हो सकती है उसमें 100 ज़्यादा सेल नहीं कर सकते guidelines है तो उसके लिए we can share passes.
Sure, I'll get the passes then. Give me +1 too. I'll get my friend too. Okay.
That's really amazing.
Perfect. Yeah. Tell me.
So अच्छा है, nice, good.
So tell me, let's talk about MemoTag itself. Was the process of MemoTag building always amazing? Was it traumatizing sometime या फिर hectic हुआ कभी आपके लिए या हमेशा अच्छा रहा starting से?
So when you're building something, when you're a founder, अच्छा रहना is not the myth. Okay. Every day before lunch you fail, and that's very real. ठीक है. Seen too many failures. I've applied to so many places, gotten rejected. Do you guys know about YC? Y Combinator? Y Combinator. So it's essentially Harvard for startups. Okay, it's in San Francisco. It's a very tier 1 accelerator. I applied that twice. I got rejected twice. ठीक है. It used to be my goal कि मेरे को इधर करना है, but then I realized it's a very small thing. ठीक है. So multiple चीजें चलती रहती हैं. मार्केटिंग पे फोकस होता है कि कैसे मार्केट करेंगे, लॉन्च कैसे होगा. देन उसके बाद आफ्टर शार्क टैंक हैपेंड, a lot of things cleared out for me. ठीक है. सर्वर कॉस्ट कैसे मेंटेन करनी है, कहाँ पैसे डालने हैं, कहाँ नहीं डालने हैं, कैसे बचत करनी है. पहले मेरे को लगता था ठीक है कंपटीशन जीत रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं, पैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, हम एंजॉय कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा. बट देन जब अब जरूरत पड़ रही है पैसों की, देन हम लाइक शिट, आज थोड़े से पैसे और होते तो बच जाते. तो लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है बहुत अच्छा, एंड फर्स्ट हैंड मिलता है. So it's this, you fail every day, you build every day.
What was the feeling when you first got the grant of 2 lakh rupees from your college? And how did you pitch them? मतलब how did you convince them to?
First grant college से मिली आपको, right? 2 lakhs की.
Yeah.
So how did you feel about it?
I have gotten multiple grants from private angel investors as well कि अच्छा कर रहा है, इसको दो पैसे. फिर IIT Delhi वो सब उधर competitions है. But like a proper grant I got from college only. तो it was a very normal thing honestly. ऐसा कुछ over the top नहीं था. I just told them that I'm building this. They were interested in it. They saw that I'm passionate about it. They saw that I'm actually I have some progress in it without the money. It's not like मैं idea stage पे बैठा हुआ. I'm just waiting कि मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे तब मैं काम करूँगा. So they were very happy, and MU obviously encourages student founders. They're all about it, right? I got it, and I was like obviously very happy कि now I can sustain myself for like 2 to 3 months more, because 2 lakh is good amount of runway. So, ठीक है.
I feel that you knew that you deserved that amount.
Yeah.
That's why you were not over the moon, because you know you have already worked for it and you deserve that amount.
Absolutely, yeah.
Isliye. Nice. Now let's talk about Shark Tank.
Sure.
Your prototype did not work because fourth prototype का.
First, let's get into the process. How did you apply for it, and how was the process?
Shark Tank का idea कैसे था? MU से आया या you wanted to go on your own?
मेरे को बहुत रैंडम इवेंट था. ठीक है. So मैं तो किसी से बात कर रहा था अपने कॉलेज में, and that guy also was applying to Shark Tank. I was like, oh Shark Tank ये क्या चीज़ है, मतलब ऐसे ही. And then he was like, hey, you should apply to, you're building a startup too. I was like, ठीक है कर देते हैं, क्या हो जाएगा, फेल हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Either so like I don't know कितने thousand and lakhs people apply, and only like 150 people get selected. I was like obviously मेरा वैसी प्रोटोटाइप स्टेज में कहाँ होगा. पहला राउंड क्लियर. ठीक है. First was the application round. It was a simple application round. Then after that there was a video round where it's a more detailed form and you have to attach a video of yourself as well. तब मेरी टीम इज इन नागपुर, माई इंटायर टेक टीम इज इन नागपुर. तो मैं वहाँ था, यहाँ पे पूरा प्रोसेस हुआ था. वहाँ पे मेरी पूरी वीडियो ली गई थी एकदम प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में. लाइक वेरी कूल. ओके, तो लाइक ट्रांजिशन एंड एवरीथिंग, तो अच्छा गया. हमें लगा कि ठीक है, होगा नहीं होगा, तभी भी थे, वो भी पास हो गया. फिर उसके बाद लाइक काफी 1-2 महीने बाद आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, रिस्पॉन्स नहीं, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अब तो निकल गया हूँ मैं. आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग आउट. मेरे को याद है कि मैं गाड़ी ही निकाल रहा था, तभी आई गेट एन ईमेल. आई वाज लाइक ओके, देख लेते हैं क्या है. एंड दैट वाज द थर्ड राउंड, दैट वाज द स्टूडियो राउंड, एंड आई हैड टू गो टू गोरेगांव इन फिल्म सिटी गोरेगांव इन मुंबई. I was like extremely happy कि ये क्या हो गया, स्टूडियो बुला लिया मेरे को. That was the third and final round. अगर ये क्लियर कर लेते हैं तो आपको पिच करना है शार्क्स को. तो हम एकदम प्रेप्ड अप होके गए हैं, मेरी टीम. एंड there was a mentor with me as well. His name is Vasudev Mishra. He's an elder brother to me. तो वो भी गए थे साथ में. हमने पिच करा, थोड़ा हंसी मजाक करा, we were talking to them अच्छे से. Then उसके बाद काफी टाइम बाद फिर से 2-3 महीने बाद I was like अब तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. हम तो बना रहे, हमारा तो प्रोडक्ट बना भी नहीं अभी तक. एंड देन हो गया, वी गॉट एन ईमेल कि आपको बुलाया गया दिसंबर में. ये मैंने जून में या उससे पहले शुरू करा था, दिसंबर में जाके आया. दिसंबर, आई रिमेंबर द डेट्स, आई थिंक इट वाज 5th to 8th या 5th to 9th था आपको दिसंबर में, ठीक है. एंड देन 10 days बाद आई हैड माई 19th बर्थडे. तो मैं 18 साल में गया था, मेरे को अच्छा लगा. तो पिच हुआ. पहले तो वहां पे ना 2 दिन आपको पूरा रिहर्स कराते हैं, लाइक किस तरीके से पिच. ऑल्सो बाय द वे दिस इज नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड ऑल, इट्स जस्ट दैट स्टार्टिंग का 1 minute पिच इज स्क्रिप्टेड. ऑब्वियसली आपको याद करा जाता है, आपको बताते हैं, इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं कि यहाँ खड़ा होना है, ऐसे घूमना है. इट्स गुड प्रोसेस, आपको सब कुछ ब्रीफ करा जाता है. टीम इज वेरी हेल्पफुल इन शार्क टैंक, लाइक वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल, दे आर ऑलवेज देयर, हंसी मजाक करते हैं. तो पिच हुई. अब think about it, even though we were in the prototype stages, I obviously will not get this chance to slip. I was like agar main ho gaya hu to why not just go ahead with it, we'll see what happens, maybe unko pasand aa jaye. So obviously sharks are there to make their own money, right? They won't invest in startups that are in the prototype stage. That was like very obvious. It was a good 1.5 hour pitch jo hui thi in reality, and things were going well, but very honestly speaking, Sony was the one who was actually presenting this, right? They would want कि थोड़ी TRP मिले, तो they add the मसाला वाला parts कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा controversial हो सकता है, तो ये डाल देते हैं.
So you feel कि उन्होंने वो parts cut किए which were actually good for your
pitch? Yeah. I mean they do that.
मतलब बहुत ही कम कर दिया.
नहीं, बहुत कम तो नहीं. I mean I would say I had gotten a lot of compliments. ठीक है, सबने बोले थे, तो वो वाले parts थोड़े से कम कर दिए, because अगर वो डाल दिए फिर ये डाल दिए तो बैलेंस आउट हो जाएगा. दे वर वांटेड अगर जा रहा है तो थोड़ा और स्टीप जाए, तो ऐसा हुआ. एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, बैड पब्लिसिटी इज आल्सो गुड पब्लिसिटी. यू वर इन द न्यूज. I got a Shark Tank video which said fan favorite and then a lot of hate on Reddit. I was like ठीक है.
That's your marketing strategy.
Why not? I'm here because of Shark Tank, right? So it's working. Huh?
So how are the sharks?
Who was your favorite shark in Shark Tank?
Very honestly speaking, the shark that actually I was not expecting to be my favorite shark was Anupam Mittal. Okay, so मेरे को थोड़ा सा लगता था कि सर थोड़ा ना मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा problematic करेंगे. He is slightly pragmatic. Okay, वो questions पूछते हैं, he एकदम depth में जाते हैं. Yes, right. तो मेरे को लगा था मेरे साथ होगा, but he was the one who actually stopped the other sharks. He was like इसको बोलने दो, complete करने दो. So I was like very happy. He was understanding. While he did not end up investing, but he was there. He understood me. That was good. I was also stuck in a PR question. You know what a PR question is?
What was the PR question? We know what the PR question.
So Kunal Behel उन्होंने पूछा था कि कितने transistors हैं. You cannot tell कितने transistors हैं, and I didn't know this. ठीक है, there are like 500 million transistors in a device. And then he came to actually my college, and I was like, sir, मेरे को पता कितने transistors थे. And then उसके बाद he said it on my face कि that was a trap question, and I trapped you there. I was like, ठीक है, चलो. But it was an experience. ठीक है, again a lore that I created, so it was good.
You feel that ये Shark Tank की pitch actually would benefit you in the future itself also, because now many people know about it. I feel अगर if you wouldn't have been on Shark Tank, in your prototype stage हम लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता that something like this is building.
Absolutely. So while funding is, I think, not the main goal of Shark Tank, it's always been marketing. You get, a lot of brand credibility and a lot of visibility in front of, like, what 30 crore Indians that watch Shark Tank. अब थोड़ी कम हो गई है, थोड़ा गिर गई TRP.
सोनी लिफ्ट पे आ गया ना.
या भाई पहले तो टीवी पे आता था.
सोनी हाउस पे आता था.
Absolutely. तो पहले काफी अच्छी मिलती थी, अभी भी ठीक ठाक मिली हमें काफी. We got like massive boost in our stats. For example, वेबसाइट व्यूज, हमें लाइक 700 एप्लीकेशन आ गई एक हफ्ते के अंदर कि हमें काम करना है आपके साथ. हम लाइक वाह भाई.
उसका इफेक्ट कितने टाइम तक रहता है
यार? सो इट्स नॉट ऐसे, इट्स नॉट लाइक ऊपर जाता है एंड देन गिर जाता है. इट्स लाइक ऐसे जाता रहता है. बिकॉज शार्क टैंक क्या करता है, वो आपकी पिच को बार बार री रिलीज करता रहता है, वो डालता रहता है, पुश होती रहती है. अलग अलग लोग यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस बनाते हैं, सो आपको व्यूज आते रहते हैं, लाइक अलग अलग जगह से कॉन्टैक्ट आते रहते हैं. इट्स लाइक एन गुड एवर गोइंग प्रोसेस. आई हैव फ्रेंड्स जो शार्क टैंक सीजन 1 में गए थे, 2 में गए थे. दे स्टिल टेल मी कि अभी तक हमें शार्क टैंक से रीच आउट्स मिलते हैं जो सीजन 1 में थे. तो इट्स वेरी गुड लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट.
I've also seen your Memotag ka Instagram page right now.
Yeah.
And I feel you've not done enough marketing on that. Is there a reason like you're waiting for the product to launch या फिर?
नहीं. So the thing is that we were actually, number one, we did not have a team. Okay. तो मैंने अभी recently 1 महीने पहले अपनी marketing team बनाई है कि these guys will be handling the entire marketing. We are now focusing entirely on LinkedIn, Instagram and WhatsApp. We have a good WhatsApp community of like 150 people that are the ICP of Memotag. Join करते हैं, उनको updates देते हैं. Memotag में हम reels बना रहे हैं. The reels are not focused on selling Memotag, but focused on creating value. मतलब we will create reels जो caregivers देख सकते हैं. They can be like, okay, this is something that I can apply in my real life and get benefit out of. तो मैं ऐसी reels बना रहे हैं. We onboarded a marketing agency. And they are now creating reels for us. So this will get started very soon. I think August में ही आपको काफी progress दिख जाएगा.
Basically अभी तक you haven't focused on marketing as such.
Number one thing is that product अपना अच्छा बने. That's the main goal, right? So
and, in the Shark Tank pitch, you told that your product will be live till December. But I think
like I said,
that
yeah. Because like I said, it had a lot of सॉफ्टवेयर. तो हमने एकदम स्क्रैच से शुरू करा. जो हमारे प्री ऑर्डर्स थे, जो भी हमारा सब कुछ था, सब डूब गया. ठीक है, बिकॉज प्री ऑर्डर्स वेरिएबल्स के लिए थे. अब इसके लिए हमें स्टार्टिंग से पूरा बनाना पड़ा. आवर एंटायर टीम हैड टू कोड द एंटायर सॉफ्टवेयर अगेन. सो नाउ वी आर इन अ पायलट टेस्टिंग स्टेज. जो हमने वहाँ पे कर रखी थी पायलट टेस्टिंग, अब हम वापस कर रहे हैं. नाउ वी पार्टनर्ड अप विद दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉल्ड Synergy in Mumbai, and they're giving us clinical advices कि कैसे कैसे improve करना. They're helping us with the entire architecture because it's very important न्यूरोस का. Then उसके बाद उनके साथ ही, उनके clientele के साथ ही we're going to do a pilot testing on about 50 to 100 patients. If we see that Memotag can deliver value and this will go on till 1 to 2 months. उसके बाद we will actually launch it to the public. That's how it goes. So things are going well, right? And pilot testing भी paid होगी तो अपना revenue तब बन रहा होगा. Yep.
So, do you know if this pilot testing goes good?
Yeah.
Can you also pitch again to the Sharks? Do you have a?
Do you think you want to go again to Shark Tank? No.
हो गया मेरा.
Done with it.
Why?
I mean,
it is a hectic process, or
it's not just hectic. It's just that मेरा मन नहीं है. It's just that मेरे को मिल गया. I have better things to do in life. वहाँ पे ना एकदम थोड़ा सा ना ब्रेन का इशू हो जाता है कि बार बार have to wait कि कब आएगा तो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. मेरा हो गया. मतलब I have better ways to actually publicize and market Memotag now. We have good synergies with like a lot of other industries, leaders and like companies. So हो जाएगा. Shark Tank was just a one-time thing. I'm happy with it.
It was just a public stunt.
Public stunt तो नहीं कहूँगा, but marketing effort था. हाँ.
Yeah. Because you are getting investors side by side.
Yeah.
Apart from Shark Tank. Alright. Cool. Like, apart from your business, what do you do in your real life? Like, what do you like to do?
Anything, sports, hobbies.
If you were not a founder, what you would have been
doing right now?
My mom once wanted me to become a chef.
Chef.
Do you know how to cook?
Slightly, थोड़ा आता है मेरे को.
Maggie.
Chai.
Same. I'm also a cook.
बस. नहीं. I have cooked couple of dishes. Like mom ने सिखा रखा है मेरे को.
So if you were not a founder, you would have been a chef.
नहीं. I mean, I would think about it. ठीक है, but chef is a good option honestly. मेरे को मतलब खाना भी पसंद है तो why not?
But अगर founder नहीं तो chef, and if not chef then
chef भी तो influencer is a very very good option right now. ठीक है, like getting into content creation is very 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 good, and I think it's if I build another startup, it's going to be around this content creation only.
But don't you feel it defeats your point that you mentioned?
Like creation of legacy
बनानी है.
क्या?
जैसे you told that one of your point was to build a legacy.
हाँ यार.
तो content creation through legacy तो नहीं होगी.
Legacy तो मतलब सही बात है, ठीक है. सोचना पड़ेगा, मैंने इसके लिए सोच रखा है कि इसके लिए ऐसे बनेगी. कंटेंट क्रिएशन के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा कि उधर से कैसे बनेगी.
तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन से लेगेसी कैसे बनेगी?
बट इट्स समथिंग दैट जैसे कि मिस्टर बीस्ट है, मे बी वो इतना 1000 साल तक याद नहीं रखा जाएगा, बट उसने काफी अच्छी लेगेसी बना दी है, उसको सब जानते हैं अब.
And that too at his age.
He's 25-26 years old, dude. Like it's crazy. Absolutely.
So how is the current thing you're building? How is that going, and how do we?
उसकी working क्या है? आपकी नए app की.
Right. So I'll give you a scenario for that. Okay. Let's see that मैं एक dementia patient हूँ और आप मेरे caregivers हो. You're like family to me. Okay. हमने मेमोटैग आपके फोन में डाउनलोड करा और मेमोटैग मैंने अपने फोन में डाउनलोड करा. So you will have the caregiver interface, I will have the simple patient interface. Now you being my caregivers, I obviously to an extent will remember your voice. I'll remember कि मैं किससे बात कर रहा हूँ, right? आपकी आवाज़ पहचान सकता हूँ. मेमोटैग आपकी आवाज़ को क्लोन कर लेगा सबसे पहले. So we work on a conversational AI model. अब essentially क्या होता है कि मेमोटैग is gonna call me on a daily basis. जैसे normal phone calls होती है ना, अब हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं दादाजी होते हैं, बूढ़े लोग होते हैं, उनको सिंपल एक कॉल आएगी, जस्ट पिक अप एंड जस्ट टॉक टू देम, जैसे एक नॉर्मल दोस्त के साथ बात करते हैं. एंड इन दैट कॉल द एआई इज गोना स्पीक लाइक यू गाइज, ओके, एंड द एआई विल बी ट्रेन्ड ऑन हाउ ऑन अबाउट दादाजीज एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे कि कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड क्या क्या काम कर रखा है, क्या रिलीजन है, एंड एआई उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा कि दादू आपने क्या करा आज, आप कैसे हैं, आपने खाना खाया कि नहीं, कैन यू रिमेंबर दीज 3 वर्ड्स फॉर मी, अच्छा कैन यू टेल मी कि आपका जन्म कौन से दिन में, कौन से ईयर में हुआ था. So it's going to be a conversation which is like very light. It's going to be very fun to have it. And then uske baad, one thing that we also realized is that dementia patients tend to keep themselves isolated because not a lot of people actually go and interact with them. So हम एक invisible friend create कर रहे हैं. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Memotag में we have integrated these tests that are gold standard for neuros, which is called MMSE and MOCA. इसमें हम questions जैसे मैंने पूछा बताया आपको अभी भी, क्वेश्चंस होते हैं अबाउट रिकॉल, ओरिएंटेशन, कैलकुलेशन, लैंग्वेज, फ्री टास्क, प्लानिंग, ये सारे KPIs हैं जो हम ट्रैक करते हैं. नाउ वी ट्रैक KPIs लाइक हेजिटेंसी, वर्ड रिकॉल, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर टू दीज फ्रॉम दीज कॉल्स. वी ट्रैक थिंग्स लाइक इमोशनल नुआंसेस, कितना कंसिस्टेंसी से बोला है, कैसे बोल रहे हैं. एंड देन उसके बाद हम डॉक्टर्स को एक रिपोर्ट फॉर्मेट में भेजते हैं कि डॉक्टर्स नॉर्मली टेक अबाउट 6 months, 5 to 6 months to diagnose and screen dementia because consultations वीकली में एक बार होती है, 2 बार एक बार होती है. बट मेमोटैग क्योंकि इनको रोज कॉल करता है, रोज इनके अपडेट्स लेता है, जो भी सटल चेंजेस होते हैं एक इंसान के अंदर वो सब ट्रैक हो जाते हैं एंड बहुत अच्छे से ट्रैक होते हैं बिकॉज एक इंसान नहीं बल्कि एक टेक एन एआई इज ट्रैकिंग इट. नाउ ये 6 महीने का प्रोसेस हम 1 महीने के अंदर कॉम्पैक्ट कर देते हैं, विच कैन बी वेरी 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 गुड व्हेन इट कम्स टू डायग्नोजिंग एंड स्क्रीनिंग अ पेशेंट. दैट्स नंबर 1. सेकेंडली, जो फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं, केयर गिवर्स होते हैं, दे यूजुअली डू नॉट हैव एनी आइडिया कि क्या हो रहा है. बिकॉज मैंने अपने दादाजी की मेडिकेशन एंड थेरेपीज में बहुत पैसे डाले, मैं मॉम डैड ने, एंड वी स्टिल डू नॉट फिगर आउट कि इज ही एक्चुअली इंप्रूविंग और नॉट. विद मेमोटैग वी कैन पिन पॉइंट कि ये पर्टिकुलर इशू आ रहा है, हिज रिकॉल इज प्लमेटिंग, लेट्स से सम ऑफ आवर KPIs लाइक अटेंशन उनका बहुत गिर रहा है. नाउ व्हाट कैन वी डू टू स्पेसिफिकली टारगेट दिस KPI, अटेंशन को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, वो मेमोटैग हेल्प करता है. एंड देन आई कैन गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल रिकॉल दादाजी का 20% गिर गया, विच मीन्स ही इज नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर करेक्टली. नाउ उसके लिए आपको उनको डेली की डेली ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस करानी पड़ेगी जिससे उनका रिकॉल थोड़ा सा और बेटर हो. अब दिस इज समथिंग जो आपको पता है क्या करना है, इससे आपको पता चलेगा क्या आउटपुट आएगा, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या होंगे. नॉर्मली बहुत जेनेरिक एडवाइसेस मिलती हैं केयर गिवर्स को कि ब्रीदिंग करा लो, वॉक करा लो, एक्सरसाइज करा दो. अगेन दैट इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक टू द पर्सन बिकॉज पता ही नहीं अभी गलत क्या, 6 महीने का टाइम होता है उसमें. It's very interlinked. I hope you understand it now. Perfect. तो ये कर रहे हैं हम exactly.
So I have one question कि अब जैसे आपने first time बोला कि जो you talk AI connect करता है हमको call पे and then वो questions पूछता है and then they answer to it.
Yeah.
So how do you expect an AI to get the right interpretation of what the customer is saying?
So
do you have any back-end teams sitting
there?
Yeah,
absolutely. So we understand that India has a lot of native languages, a lot of vernacular languages. Exactly. There's this data set called Vani. It has about 2 million plus tokens, which is trained on about 84 languages in India. We're using that as our back-end interface. मतलब हमने उस पे मेमोटैग को ट्रेन कर रखा है. मतलब मेमोटैग is fluent in Hindi, Marathi and Bhojpuri, whatever. It can properly speak with all the dialects. अगर आज मेमोटैग आपसे बात कर रहा होगा, it's gonna speak exactly like, you know, an Indian guy would. जैसे कि मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आपसे, मेरे सेम एक्सेंट में, और मेरी आवाज को क्लोन कर लेगा तो लगेगा कि मैं ही बात कर रहा हूँ. तो ऐसे हम इस लेवल का पहुंच रहे हैं.
लैंग्वेज इज वन थिंग, बट एक की भी होता है कि इमोशंस एंड समटाइम्स एक चीज को सेंटेंस के दो मीनिंग भी हो सकते हैं, व्हिच मे बी एआई कैन नॉट डिटेक्ट अ ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन हो. तो
दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड.
हाउ डू यू
एम्पैथी, दिस इज एम्पैथी एंड इमोशन. ठीक है, adding empathy and emotion to AI is a very foundational challenge. Not just me, the entire world, ChatGPT तक वो भी सफर कर रहे हैं कि हम कैसे डाल सकते हैं. तो this is exactly what I'm working towards, कि how can the conversation be so natural and fluent that it feels like एक actual इंसान से बात हो रही है. Right now we have achieved the level कि मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तो पता चलता है मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा सा differentiating लगता है क्योंकि वो emotional nuances इतने अच्छे से capture नहीं होते AI में भी. But we're working towards that, and that can only happen once we have enough data that we can train our memo tag on. So again, I'm not that technical. If my CTO was here, he would be able to explain it better. But yeah.
I just want to get to know कि अगर ChatGPT आज वो चीज नहीं कर पा रहा, so how are you going to overcome that? और अगर ChatGPT का level अच्छा है, तो why are you not using ChatGPT with your memo tag?
We are using ChatGPT only. So we're not building our own LLM. We're using an API from ChatGPT. Right.
So you've coded on ChatGPT itself.
Not ChatGPT itself. हमने बस उनका API है जो मतलब use कर सकता है इसको. Like the brain is of ChatGPT, but the other components are something that we have developed in house.
Customize it according to your.
Right, essentially.
Okay.
What are your plans for the next 5 years? That could include your college, your startup, everything about your life. If it contains your startup, उसमें भी, so whatever you feel like. What are your next year 5 plans?
So life is very unpredictable. Okay, I'm not sure what's going to happen in the next 5 years, but if I have to say it, it'll be to grow as a person exponentially, to get more mature. Okay. Honestly, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो achieve करने वाली हैं अभी. I want to focus on myself and you know, like I said, be the best version of I am. ठीक है. More things, like again, startup is again one of the things. I want to grow Memo Tag before I leave college. I would want to visit Canada. Okay. मेरे को मतलब मेरे 2-3 दोस्त हैं वहाँ पे. In fact एक ही दोस्त है, 2-3 तो नहीं है. कनाडा आना है मैंने, ठीक है, 3-4 महीने के लिए वहाँ पे एंजॉय करना अच्छे से. ठंड में ठंडी होती है वहाँ पे पूरा टाइम. अच्छा हाँ वो भी है. एंड देन आई हैव अ फ्रेंड साक्षात, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर, ही इज अ वेरी वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड. आई वांट टू सी हिज ग्रोथ एज वेल. दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माय जर्नी. सो दैट्स अगेन वन थिंग दैट आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन.
Do you have any other startup idea also which
बहुत सारे startup ideas.
So if you get a great success in Memo Tag, ठीक है, then you have a feeling कि यार अब कुछ नया करते हैं. एक चीज हो गई है, एक चीज हमने कर दिया, फाड़ दिया, अब नेक्स्ट क्या?
So बहुत सारे ideas I have to explore, but अगर मेरे top of the mind एक idea है, ठीक है, I'll pitch that to you guys.
Okay.
ठीक है. One second. Do you know that जो बिस्लेरी की बॉटल्स होती हैं या फिर कोई भी बॉटल होती है उसमें वो प्लास्टिक होता है पूरा कवरिंग, राइट? एंड नॉर्मली द बॉटल्स आर केप्ट आउटसाइड, ठीक है. तो उसमें जो माइक्रो प्लास्टिक्स होते हैं वो पानी के अंदर रिलीज हो जाते हैं. एंड वी नॉट इवन श्योर इफ व्हाट वी ड्रिंकिंग इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ और नॉट. ओके, दे गेट ट्रैवल्ड बड़े बड़े कंटेनर्स में, गर्म में, ठीक है. नाउ आई वाज होपिंग दैट द लेबल जो उसमें लगाते हैं ग्रीन कलर का, वी कैन ऐड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पिगमेंट देयर, एंड दैट पिगमेंट विल बी the exact it'll be blue color का pigment. Okay, जैसे जैसे heat आती रहेगी the pigment will change from blue to red and it will be like an indication कि जब red हो गया या orange हो गया तो फिर वो पानी खराब हो गया, not consumable. So this way a lot of people will be more cautious कि ये this is not for me. एंड इसका स्टार्टअप आइडिया क्या है कि पहले तो आई विल नॉट क्रिएट माई ओन बॉटल्स एंड सेल दिस, ठीक है, बिकॉज इसके अंदर बहुत बड़ा एक प्रॉब्लम आता है अंदर ही अंदर. इसका एक टर्न अराउंड क्या है कि मैं पहले स्लैंडर करूंगा, मैं बहुत अच्छे से बेइज्जती करूंगा जो करंट पानी की बोतलें हैं कि ये तो अनसेफ हैं, गंदी हैं, ठीक है. एंड देन वंस पीपल आर लाइक ना थोड़ा मैंने वायरलिटी क्रिएट कर ली, देन व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना पेटेंट दिस आइडिया कि ये मेरा है, मैंने पिगमेंट क्रिएट करा है विच हैज द सेम लेवल ऑफ आई वुड से ट्रांजिशन वाला जिससे वो प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स में होता है. एंड देन आई एम गोना सेल दिस पेटेंट टू द कंपनीज हु बिल्डिंग दिस.
Why will company buy? मतलब उनका तो उससे
एक्सपेंस बढ़ रहा है.
हाँ, तो पहले हमने स्लैंडर करा तो लोग फिर बोलेंगे ना कि हम क्यों खरीदेंगे.
You want कि कंपनी का ट्रस्ट चला जाए, कस्टमर का ट्रस्ट चला जाए फ्रॉम द कंपनी,
राइट,
एंड द कंपनीज हैव टू बाय
so that they can actually prove to the people that हम सेफ पानी लेते हैं. That's a very very distant idea जो मैंने randomly सोचा.
But it is something, ऐसा नहीं है.
I also have idea कुछ.
हाँ बताओ ना.
एक I had an idea when I was in 12th. So अभी जो हमारा कार वॉशिंग इंडस्ट्री है इंडिया में पूरी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है.
Yes.
कहीं भी मतलब पूरी इंडिया में वो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है. कोई भी ऐसी कंपनी नहीं है which has come into this sector and वो घर घर जाके एक ब्रांडेड कार वॉशिंग कर रही हो. एक तो रिसेंटली शार्क टैंक पे पिच हुई थी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम, बट वो भी यही उनका कंसेप्ट था. तो ये एक मतलब ये इतनी बड़ी मार्केट है इंडिया में कि अगर एक बाल्टी भी डालोगे तो उसमें से बहुत निकल आएगा. अगर आप किसी के घर जाओ विद अ ब्रांडेड टी शर्ट, कैप एंड इक्विपमेंट्स एंड यू स्टार्ट अ सर्विस, सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड सर्विस. एंड कार वॉश ना बहुत ही मिनिमल, मतलब इट्स लाइक अ 10 और 20 रुपीज पर वॉश. अभी जो डेली लाइफ में भी होता है पर कार पर डे इतना कॉस्टिंग है उसकी. तो इसको अगर हम ऑर्गेनाइज करें पूरे सेक्टर को, एक ब्रांड ले आए इसके अंदर, तो ये कितनी बड़ी मार्केट है.
The question that I normally ask to people who pitch their ideas to me is that why is this already not there? ठीक है.
Yes.
अगर ये मार्केट है and pretty sure that see I'll tell you something.
I have the answer for that.
Yes. एक मेरे को एक पॉइंट रखना है. इंडिया में अभी 140 करोड़ लोग हैं. हर इंसान के हमने आइडिया आता है, ठीक है. एग्जीक्यूशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. अब पीपल हैव ट्राइड दिस आइडिया एंड आई थिंक दे हैव फेल्ड इन इट टू एन एक्सटेंट. सो ईदर यू कैन लर्न एंड टॉक टू देम कि कहाँ गलती हुई थी एंड यू देन डू दैट. सो हाँ, तेरा क्या ठीक है, कैसे कर सकते हैं.
कि इसमें ना जो इशू आया था इनिशियल वो था एक रेगुलेशंस को लेके.
अच्छा.
एक्चुअल में अलाउड नहीं है कार वॉशिंग रोड्स पे करना.
ओके.
मतलब कोई भी आप एक उसमें ना वो लिमिटेशन है कि आप इतना ही वाटर यूज कर सकते हो ऐसे रोड्स में. से अभी तो क्या होता है कि हमारे जो गली का गार्ड है वो ही आपकी गाड़ी साफ कर दी या कोई भी रैंडम लोग हैं वो कर देंगे. तो उसमें कोई कंपनी नहीं है एस्टैब्लिश, तो कोई गवर्नमेंट वो नहीं कर सकती, अकाउंटेबल होल्ड नहीं कर सकती. बट व्हेन अगर आप कंपनी एस्टैब्लिश करते हो एंड इसी पर्पज से करते हो तो आपको एक प्रॉपर वो अलॉटमेंट चाहिए कार वॉशिंग सर्विसेज के लिए.
करेक्ट.
कि आप इसी स्पेस में इतना वाटर यूज कर रहे हो और वेस्टेज मिनिमम कर रहे हो कि वाटर इज अ रिसोर्स फॉर द कंट्री. तो ये एक रीज़न है जो मेरे को पता लगा था जो सक्सेस नहीं हुआ. बट आई फील कि इसमें अगर एग्जीक्यूशन को ढंग से किया जाए तो पॉसिबल है. मुश्किल है बट पॉसिबल है. इसीलिए मैंने ये भी देखा कि मॉल्स वगैरह में शुरू हुई है सर्विसेज. अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो, आप जब मॉल्स में जाते हो पार्किंग करते हो अपनी, तो दे आर सेलिंग कार वॉशेस कि आप जितने घूम रहे हो तब तक आप कार वॉश करके दे देंगे.
ओह, दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग.
सो ये एक सर्विस है जो शुरू हो गई है. एंड मेरे को आइडिया आया था 11th में आया था बट 12th में चल रही थी. एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं हुआ मुझसे ऑनेस्टली, आई बी फ्रैंक.
दिस इज ऑपरेशनली हेवी, राइट? यू हैव टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑन बोर्ड विद यू एंड देन यू हैव टू बिल्ड इट.
इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू डू इट सेक्टर वाइज. यू कंप्लीट पितमपुरा का एरिया ले लिया, फिर प्रशांत ले लिया, क्लब किया. यू हैव इसमें ये भी इश्यूज हैं कि कस्टमर एंड जो योर कारमैन, द कार वॉशर, वो दोनों कॉन्टैक्ट में अगर आ गए देन हाउ डू यू रिस्ट्रिक्ट देम. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. बट यू हैव टू go 24 hours in it, 24/7 तभी होएगा.
You have to go all in it, yeah.
तो ये एक मेरा था एक आइडिया which I might do in future.
Absolutely, why not? फेल हो गया तो होता ही है फेल तो.
I think every business student, like we are doing BCom honors, so उसके पास एक business idea तो है. It's all about execution and the time, because you have to put a lot of effort.
Correct.
अपने business के लिए.
You have to decide at a point of time in life that you are doing this or this.
Yeah.
If you go both ways, you are going to end up nowhere.
मेरा टेक इसमें क्या है कि ना, we have good, you guys are 20 years old right now, right? मैं भी 20 का हूँ, तो we have like what 60 years more, हम एक साल तो अपने आप को डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं ना कि एक साल वी जस्ट गो ऑल इन ऑन आवर आइडिया. बाकी कि नहीं फेल हुआ तो 59 इयर्स है हमारे पास, अपना आराम से करो कुछ.
That's a really good mindset वैसे. Why not?
Yeah.
So even हमें हर सेमेस्टर में we have to usually pitch a business idea.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो अच्छे से.
In fact, college में Shark Tank था ना, so I pitched this idea only.
अच्छा.
So for me, my business idea that मैं एक ही PPT चला रही हूँ 3 semesters, which we shouldn't mention, but that business idea was basically that pencils out of metal, it's like an Apple pencil, but
Okay.
how will that work? अगर उसकी टिप भी metal है. There's a technology, there's a brand in UK I guess जो ये काम कर रही है and that is not patented.
अच्छा.
तो उनकी जो टिप है that is made out of not charcoal, nothing, just pure metal, copper या कुछ. I don't know how it reacts to the paper, but वो basically
पेपर भी कुछ स्पेशल होगा ना?
नहीं,
Cannot be normal.
normal paper.
अच्छा.
And it doesn't erase, मतलब थोड़ा tough होता है उससे erase करना because कुछ rock and something like that, but it reduces all your wooden costs और आपका lead sharpenings भी कम हो रहा है because इसमें lead नहीं है. It's pure metal pencil. अब वही है
I think
price
I've heard
point.
about it. Yeah.
You've probably heard
Yeah.
that. And I've seen कि Indian market में एक pencil है that's available that's just for 20 rupees, but उसकी जो body है वो plastic की होती है. But उसका tip metal का ही होता है. Like you have seen the never sharpening pencil जिनको कभी sharp नहीं करना पड़ता, वो वाली pencil.
I've seen that
है
on
ना?
reels. Yes, I've
या
seen that.
तो बट वो बहुत ही अलग मटेरियल है, बट समथिंग लाइक दैट कि आपको टिप को कभी शार्प ही नहीं करना पड़ रहा, एंड बिकॉज दैट इज अ मेटल पेंसिल तो अब उसके अंदर वेट है और यू डोंट नीड टू डिस्पोज इट ऑल्सो. सो बट फिर अगेन लॉट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन, फिर आपको अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट खोलनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज इट्स नॉट
You
हैपनिंग.
can just drop ship it ना.
हाँ कर सकते हैं.
You can outsource it from someone who's building it, who's a warehouse. वहाँ से सस्ते में लेके बेचती है.
brand in the whole world that is doing it, and I was pretty shocked that how it is not patented, but
क्या पता है.
कोई loophole ही हो.
Okay, so I think let's start with the.
Let's do a short rapid
Sure.
fire.
Yeah.
So I'll just ask you a question. Whatever comes in your mind, you just have to say that word or line, whatever you want.
Cool.
Which questions have an option itself also.
Perfect.
तो उनमें option में choose करना होगा. One word to describe you.
Ambitious. Nah, be delusional.
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 Revenge edition. If you had to take off your Shark Tank pitch, who would you choose? Vinita, Piyush, whom?
Vinita.
Vinita.
Piyush wasn't even there in my pitch.
Yeah. Or it must be Ellen from Zoom.
What?
Like you don't know Ellen, like the American
No
Shark
idea.
Tank.
Ah, nahin.
All right, cool. What is your weirdest feedback that you've received?
Feedback on myself and my product.
Both.
Both. About myself, people have called me very oversharey by nature. Like I overshare a lot. ठीक है, when I talk to someone, तो मैं हर चीज़ बता देता हूँ. That is like very weird. I mean, that's a good thing. पता नहीं क्यों बोलते हैं.
We don't think so.
Yeah, we don't think so.
We've
ठीक
talked
है.
for about an hour now.
Right. And product का ऐसा किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं. It's just that Reddit से hit मिलती है, that's all.
What is one future technology you hope never becomes real?
Future technology, gene modification.
All right. If
So
you're
this you don't want it to become real.
Yeah, gene modification is very, very bad. It can be detrimental for society and everyone there. Yeah.
if your future was a movie, what would be its title?
I have some very, very good titles here, but I think.
Now it's time to overshare.
हाँ नहीं मैं अभी तो नहीं बोल सकता, but from existing movie titles या फिर जो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
New.
Your creation. It's about you.
The lore of Rayansh. Yeah, that sounds good.
Any other?
कोई भी नहीं यार, मेरे को ऐसे
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. That's a very good one. Yeah.
If you had to choose between caffeine, chaos, and coding, what would you choose?
Caffeine, chaos, or coding?
Yeah.
How are those two related?
3.
Caffeine, chaos.
And coding. The
I'll go
3,
for
right?
chaos.
Chaos.
Chaos is interesting.
Alright. If you had to choose a co-founder for your brand, who would you choose? Elon Musk, Kusha Kapila, or your inner child?
Or what?
Your inner child.
My inner child. 1 second. I'll go with Elon Musk.
Direct contact. Alright. One philosophy that you live by but you hate.
I live by but I hate.
Yeah.
Okay, this will need some thought, honestly. I just have this one theory that I live by but I do not hate it all. It's called mangoge nahi to milega nahi.
That is very true.
Yeah.
But how is that a hateful?
Exactly, I don't hate it. I absolutely love this.
But we want a philosophy that you live by but you hate.
Give me an example.
How can I give?
Apni bata de.
Even I have to think about it.
That's what I told you.
Chalo, we'll move to the next question.
Yeah.
What is one conventional thing that makes you productive?
One conventional, unconventional?
Conventional.
That makes me productive?
Yeah.
Gymming. That gym is like a stress buster. I have started to gym like काफी time से अब तो अच्छा लगता है gym जाके mind refresh हो जाता है. That's very conventional. It's very good.
Do you even play any sports?
Yeah, I used to play table tennis and badminton, but अब वो छूट गया. मन नहीं करता. School life.
I think we're done with the rapid fire.
Cool.
Yes. So now, if you had to give a TED talk for a minute, what would that be? You can just look into the camera.
Right. So I'll probably give a TED talk on caregiving and AI with empathy. That's a very important topic, and this is something that I have my experience in, and something that I can inspire people about. How we can actually build emotion and get it into tech and scale it so that people can utilize it into multiple, I would say, applications, not just in elder care and healthcare, but it can be, companies के अंदर जब कोई customer call ले रहा है, it can be selling something, it can be sales, it can be HR, whatnot. It has huge amounts of application. But again, something that will need a good amount of time and a good amount of... I'll tell you something. Memotag's entire purpose is to digitalize caregiving. Okay? It's not just AI with empathy, but also caregiving. How important it is to actually do the right amount of caregiving with the right amount of, I would say, information. ठीक है, ज़्यादा information बहुत दिमाग खराब कर देती है, कम information आपको बहुत clueless छोड़ देती है.
Exactly.
तो हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. That's what I want to talk about.
So it was a great speech.